Yo, man, you see, it's your boy NGI, all the way from Nigeria, Lagos City. For real, now, I'm hanging out with Jamie and Chris here on, on your phone it's an aphrodisiac. You're listed on WKRP, and you keep listening, you never give up listening. It's a good sound. It's for you, your boy, NG, live, direct on your radio. Thank you, alright? Love you. Peace out. DonZubi Entertainment
present NG, the Onyeukwu Master album out now. Timaya, Kelly Handsome, Manan Spicy, Rocksteady, EVG, True Love, and a host of other talented Nigerian acts. Album marketed and distributed nationwide by Sammy Vibes. T-Joe, go grab your copy now.
DonZubi Entertainment in collaboration with Steve Black Promotion presents NG, the Onyeukwu Master, the album release party. Guest artists Olamide, Konga, Clever J, Nice, YQ, Daddy Young, Durella, Z-World, Solid Star, Joe D, LKT, Shayma, Side 1, Orisa Femi, Sabi, Zulos, Smoothie J, Prince Fountain, Kelly Handsome, Earthquake, Raymond King, Empress, On the Wheels of Steel, DJ Bombastic, DJ Neptune, DJ X-Man, DJ Roland, DJ Shabzy, DJ Mickey, Comedian, Akbaru, Sharia Pasco, Eagles, Omojis, MC, Timmy K, and Kai. Venue, The Place Nightclub, 45 Isaac Johnson Street, GRA, Ikeja, Lagos. Date, 24th November 2011. Time, 8 p.m. till dawn. Visa, 2,000 Naira regular, 5,000 Naira VIP. This event is proudly supported by
This is one DJ you don't wanna fuck with.